Did your check engine light just come on? Is it time for a tune-up? Is something just not right with your car, truck, or SUV? Then it's time to come down to Autotronics and have our expert technicians take a look. We only hire the best mechanics who look forward to coming in and taking care of your vehicle in a timely and professional manner. We're conveniently located in Oviedo and look forward to getting your vehicle into tip-top shape as soon as possible. To learn more about Autotronics, visit our website at www.autorepairoviedo.com or to make an appointment, give us a call today.